AI has made growing on YouTube incredibly easy. Thousands of creators are growing by creating great content with the help of AI. But what's the reason they're printing money while you're still lagging behind? In this video, I'll reveal the exact steps to monetize your AI-powered faceless YouTube channel and start generating substantial income in as little as 30 days. This video won't employ the typical, overused methods of script writing via ChatGPT, adding cheap visuals, and uploading to YouTube, because that's not going to work anymore. Rather, I'll show you how to grow your channel rapidly by leveraging next-gen AIs in innovative and unique niches. But the problem is, despite hard work and the right tools, many fail to earn an income and subsequently give up. This happens because they invest their efforts in the wrong niche without any strategy. But you won't do that. Choosing the right niche is way more crucial than you believe. But the question is, what is the right niche? Choosing the right niche is the single most important decision you'll make when starting a YouTube channel. Your niche shapes everything: the audience you attract, the content you create, and how you're perceived on the platform. A well-chosen niche makes it easier to stand out in a sea of content and can set your channel up for long-term growth. And this is where 90% of people make a mistake. They either choose a niche based on the advice of a YouTube guru, or they don't even know about other unique niches where they can actually grow. Well, this is a vast topic, so I won't go into detail, and there's no need for it. All you have to do is choose a niche in which you can work for a long time and has the potential to generate significant income, sponsorships, and other opportunities, and is in demand. But how can you find your niche, or make your own unique niche? Well, the key to YouTube success lies in identifying your passion. If you're drawn to topics like history, geopolitics, ancient mythical creatures, or horror stories, etc., you can generate significant income by creating faceless AI-powered content, much like popular creators in these niches. A crucial strategy for new creators is to focus on a micro niche rather than a broad one. For example, if history is your chosen niche, consider specializing in a what-if series or the history of a particular time. This approach minimizes competition and provides an abundance of content ideas. However, it's essential to ensure your chosen micro niche has a substantial audience to avoid low view counts. So, you've selected your niche. Now it's time to create content. And the first step to making every video viral is viral ideas. And you can use resources such as TubeBuddy, YouTube Search, and ChatGPT to generate viral ideas if you don't already have any. Keep an eye on your competitors, what kind of content they are uploading, what kind of content is getting the most results, and what you can do better in it. This way you will have a lot of data available. To explain it better, let me select a micro niche: sleep. This is a micro niche in health and fitness. Many people suffer from insomnia, and there isn't much competition. However, let me tell you that you should choose a niche based on your knowledge and interests. Now that you've selected your niche, the next crucial step is scripting. A strong script is the foundation of a viral video and directly impacts your average view duration. While numerous AI text generators like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity are available in the market, you can use any of these tools. But if you're serious about your YouTube channel, believe me, all of these tools are useless. I'm not disparaging these tools, but they consistently fall short when it comes to generating high-quality YouTube scripts. If you use scripts generated from these AIs, YouTube may see it as low quality, which will ruin your hard work and effort. But what if I told you that there is a tool available that is designed keeping only creators in mind, which is the best script generator AI tool ever? I'm talking about Poppy AI. And the reason it's the best script generator ever is because you can train it with your own data. Here, you'll find the best chatbots ever, meaning you don't need to subscribe to different AI tools. And its super powerful feature is groups. Groups hold the videos and information you provide, so it can reference them all to create a new masterpiece. For example, suppose I want to make a video on the topic why you can't fall asleep in under 20 minutes and how to fix it tonight. Then I will copy and paste the links of related videos from YouTube here. Since those videos were already popular, Poppy will analyze the information in those videos and create a better script in your tone with excellent knowledge. Furthermore, if you already have content on your channel, you can maintain a consistent tone and style across your videos by adding their links to Poppy AI. To generate an AI voice, go to 11 Labs, the leading AI voice generator, a fact you may already know. Go to the 11 Labs website, select your favorite voice or generate a custom voice, then paste your script into the sections. This way, you'll have your entire script converted into a voiceover. With your idea, script, and voiceover prepared, it's time to get visuals. There are many AI tools on the market for this. To achieve your desired results, consider utilizing advanced tools for your tasks, such as Nano Banana, Whisk, Midjourney, Kling, VEO3, etc. What if I told you that you could use all these tools in one place instead of using them separately, and that too at a much lower price? If you're serious about your YouTube career, then this tool is going to make you a lot of money. Imagine art. When I first discovered this tool, it blew my mind. You can use tools like Sora 2, Wan 2, Nano Banana, etc. unlimitedly on this Imagine Art. Imagine Art stands out with its impressive array of features, including advanced image and video generation, seamless motion transfer, and detailed character customization. It's truly remarkable to find such a comprehensive suite of AI capabilities offered at such an accessible price point. Imagine Art is easy to use. Simply enter your detailed prompt, and your result is ready. Imagine Art allows you to create consistent characters, meaning you don't need to enter character details every time. You only need an image of your character and an action prompt. To create better prompts based on your script, paste your script into ChatGPT. Your step-by-step scene prompts are ready. Now, use these prompts to create useful visuals one by one. The link is in the description. Go and explore all its amazing features. Editing. With all your materials prepared, it's time to bring your video to life. Simply import them into your preferred video editing software. Once your final output is ready, upload it to YouTube. Ensure you craft a compelling, attention-grabbing title, relevant tags, and a descriptive summary to maximize visibility and engagement. To truly succeed on YouTube, you must consistently upload high-quality content that provides genuine value to your audience. Remember, if your videos offer true value, you're well on your way to building a powerful brand on the platform. If you found this information valuable, please like and hype the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.